Hello guys. Today I was bored, so I just decided to come here to a park and give nice ducks and birds food to eat. I wanted to help out animals that are hungry. I hope you guys are having a good morning right now. I know I am. Oh, I know I am. I just
Mira,
yeah.
los pájaros cómo la captan, mira, pero tira. Mira,
Andan
ahorita,
captando.
mira, ves, mira,
Sí,
mira. Ay,
anda quitando.
mira, mira.
You want this? You want this? Get it. Les enseño la comida y mira cómo vienen.
¿Estás grabando?
Sí, estoy grabando.
Tienes que tener cuidado porque te van a pegan recio con los hijos.
Sí. There's also some in the back. Um, yeah, this is good. I didn't really have a video idea, so I just decided to buy some bread and give ducks and birds something to eat. Bro, they are so close. To be honest, this is amazing. I see that the water isn't that dirty, unlike that last time, because I just decided to come to another park, and this is a good thing. They are so close right now.
Son los pasos, si quieres vamos allá donde te dije.
Alright, hold up, guys. I'm just going to pause, cut to another area. Hopefully, that's okay. Look, everyone, while I'm walking to that other area, all these birds are just following me. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I guess it's fine. They see bread in my hand, and they're just following me. There's also some ducks over there. Don't know what they're doing. But there's also ducks over here, and all these birds are just following. Hey guys, I just moved to the other area. Um, don't know how I feel about them just chasing me. I'm just gonna take out one piece of bread and throw it, and yeah, they're coming. They're just coming for more.
Ahora no se arriman los patos esos blancos casi.
No tanto.
No, o ahorita que vengan.
Sí, ahorita
Hay montones.
montones.
Sí, sácalo de ahí, se puede sacarlos de ahí.
There's some over there, and there's these. Yeah. Oh, and there's a duck that just. Okay. Oh, one stepped on my shoe. Bro, I don't know how I feel. What? Bro, what? They're just. Oh, I'm trying not to. No, I'm not moving.
Y lo que quiere que vengan aquellos.
¿Eh?
Quiero que vengan aquellos. Aquellos blancos. Se lo va a echar aquí en el agua.
Sí, en el agua. En los dos lugares, también en agua. Es importante.
¿Ya ves cómo corren?
Sí.
Mira, vienen los blancos.
Oh. Now the white ducks are coming over here. Right? Like I said, I don't know how I feel about this. And then there's another one on my shoe again.
Bien largo.
See? Oh, that one just snagged. Bro, what? I'm directing this duck right here. And hitting. Dame unas. Oh. I'm throwing a big chunk in there. Forget it. Bro, no, that one got too close. Bro, what? Oh, wait, no. No, they're all over me. They're all around me.
Está tomando video también.
¿Eh?
Él está haciendo video también.
They're just picking my sock, which is interesting. They can pick on that piece of bread. Okay, nope. Move! Oh, no, move away. I feel uncomfortable at this point. Look, guys. Bread. I'm trying to walk, but I can't. Alright? Just, just throw some in the water. Bro, why y'all pecking me? Oh.
No te muevas porque nos apachurra.
Sí, no me ando moviendo, no me quiero mover. No les quiero lastimar. No les quiero lastimar. Están en mis pies.
Habla pues ahí.
Guys, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about birds just being on my feet. But there's this white duck right here. Bro, why are y'all surrounding me? Oh yeah. Can y'all just... You. Duck. Ducks. Stand up, okay? I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, some of them peeled up. Oh yeah. There's one bread. You throw one in the water.
¿Cuánto tiempo lleva allá?
¿Eh?
¿Cuánto tiempo lleva allá en Miguel?
10 minutos.
¿No te sientes? A los cortitos.
Está bien.
No, a los cortitos.
En un ratito.
¿Ah?
En un ratito lo saco.
Yo quería que sacara los peces.
Hold on, guys. I'll be back. I moved. Hello, guys. Back. I moved to this area, and a lot of white ducks are like coming over here. Usually I don't see them swimming a lot, but not that now that there's a lot here. Kind of feel good. It's not that bad. I like giving food to animals. Don't know why. It's just I like it. Oh, and there's a lot of animals now. Oh, God. Yeah, that one. I was just making a lot of noise. Oh, don't peck me. Come on. Nope, this one. Be careful with this one. He pecked me. Oh.
Vamos a ver, eso es
No les. But
Ay, pues,
¿te picó también?
sí. Te mueren las manos y te agarran.
I like this. Alright, guys, I think I might end it here. I want to let you guys know to keep waters clean, sort of like this, and help out animals at whatever cost. Help them even a bit. Even if you have a little, just try and help them out. Anyways, please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye.